Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you teddy bear outfit idea for free and trust and impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. Wait, let me go to the dressing room and then I'm going to show you this outfit hack. Wait, let me wear it. Okay, this is for the teddy bear free outfit idea. And then I'm going to show you the items I wear in this outfit. Okay, for the hairstyle, you can wear this one, and this bangs. And then you can color it with this color code. Okay, and then you're going to wear this hat and add a ribbon to the hat, and then you're going to wear teddy bear from the currency item. Make sure you have both this teddy bear. And for the skirt, I wear this one, and we can change the pattern to this one. I'm going to show you the pattern, this one guys. And then you're going to wear this necklace and then the sleeves, and for the sleeves you can change the pattern. Wait, I'm going to show you the pattern that I use for the sleeves. Okay, for the sleeves I use this one, and then you're going to wear socks as well and change the pattern to this one. Okay, and then use the leg warmer and color it with this color. I'm going to show you the color wheel, this one. Okay, and for the necklace, I wear this one, and you can wear this Myra heels as well, but you need to change the toggle to classic socks, and then you can combine it with this shoe. Okay, and then you can match the color, and this is for the final looks. That's so cute, right? You can try it by yourself for the teddy bear outfit. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.